looking for one-floor living? Are you looking for a great quality finished bungalow that's perfect for a young family or for someone who's downsizing? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 560 Adamson Crescent in Stittsville. This beautiful quality-built home offers a finished basement, a stunning kitchen, and a great sunroom in a beautifully landscaped lot. Come on in and have a look. I hope you enjoyed your visit to 560 Adamson Crescent. If you can appreciate the quality of this home and perhaps see yourself living here and you'd like to get further information or perhaps to book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time to visit, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.